Hello guys, myself Raghavendra SA from SVC College of Engineering, first year EC department. Today I am going to explain about the topic NPN transistor and PNP transistor. What is a transistor? A transistor is a semiconductor that amplifies or switches electronic signals. Transistor serves as a basic building blocks of modern electronics. A transistor consists of the three main parts: the emitter, the base, and the collector. The emitter serves as the source of electron, the collector as the drain, and the base as the control terminal. Types of transistor. NPN transistor. An NPN transistor is a type of bipolar junction transistor where the majority charge carrier are electrons. PNP transistor. A PNP transistor is a type of bipolar junction transistor where the majority charge carriers are holes. NPN transistor. An NPN transistor is the most commonly used bipolar junction transistor and is constructed by sandwich a p-type semiconductor between two n-type semiconductor. An NPN transistor has three terminals: a collector, emitter, and base. The PNP transistor behaves like two PNP junction diodes connected back to back. This is a circuit diagram of NPN transistor. This is collector and base and emitter. This is emitter, collector, and the base. This is the circuit diagram of NPN transistor. Working of NPN transistor. The forward bias is applied across the emitter base junction and the reverse bias is applied across the collector base junction. The forward bias voltage is small as compared to the reverse bias voltage VCB. The emitter of the NPN transistor is highly dotted. When the forward bias is applied across the emitter, the majority charge carrier moves towards the base. This causes the emitter charge. The electrons enter into the n-type material and combine with the holes. The base of NPN transistor is lightly doped, due to which only a few electrons are combined and remaining constitute the base current. This base current enters into the collector region. The reverse bias potential of the collector region applies the high attractive force on the electrons reaching collector junction, thus attracts or collect the electrons at the collector. This is NPNP and this is the circuit diagram representation of NPN transistor and this is the working process of NPN transistor. Applications of NPN transistor. NPN transistors are mainly used in switching applications, used in amplifying circuit applications. NPN transistors are used in applications where there is a need to sink a current, used in some classic amplifier circuits such as push-pull amplifier circuits, used in temperature sensors, very high frequency applications, used in logarithm conversion. Second type is PNP transistor. A PNP transistor is a bipolar junction transistor constructed by sandwich an n-type semiconductor between two p-type semiconductors. A PNP transistor has three terminals: a collector, emitter, and base. The PNP transistor behaves like a two PN junction diodes connected to back to back. This circuit diagram of PNP transistor and this is a symbol of PNP transistor. Working of PNP transistor. PNP transistor works when the emitter base junction is forward biased, while collector base junction is reverse biased. The emitter terminal is forward by p-type semiconductor. Thus, for forward bias, the p-type terminal should be connected with positive terminal and n-type with negative terminal. Similarly, in order to reverse bias collector base junction, the p-type is connected with negative terminal, while the n-type is connected with positive terminal. After applying bias, the reflection region formed at the emitter base junction will be narrow, while the reflection region formed at the collector base junction will be wide. This is because emitter base junction is forward biased and In forward bias, the deflection layers is narrow. Therefore, due to reverse biasing of collector base junction, the deflection wide is borrowed. This is the working of PNP PNP transistor. Applications of PNP transistor. PNP transistor are used to source current such that current flow out of the collector. PNP transistors are used as switches. These are used in amplifying circuits. PNP transistors are used when we need to turn off something by push a button such that emergency shutdown. Used in matched pair circuit to produce continuous power. Used in I motors to control current flow. Used in robotic applications. Thank you. This is all about my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.